Hello everyone, welcome to one of my first voiceover videos in a while. Well, not really voiceover, but one of the first videos where my voice is still in it. Alright, so today we will be learning how to install the Windows 1.00 Developer Release 5. Now, you might ask, but what is Developer Release 5 for Windows 1.0? Glad you asked. Or if you didn't, I don't really care, but I'm going to explain it anyway. You see, all operating systems go through what's called a development cycle. It starts off with design, then first compilation and testing, then revision after revision after revision after revision, alpha tests, beta tests. It gets shown off somewhere, or I don't know. And then, boom, product, I guess. Developer Release 5 is currently the oldest known build to still, I guess, exist, and to be archived so we can all use it. Now, I'm going to open up Notepad to tell you what you're going to need. So, you're going to need Windows. Oh my goodness, I need to stop doing that. Windows. You're getting a copy of Windows 1.0 Developer Release 5 or DR5. You're going to need a copy of MS-DOS or PC-DOS 3.0. You're then going to need PCEM. Then finally, the PCEM ROMs. Here's where you're all going to get them. First, open up your web browser of choice. I'm using Firefox here since, well, I'm doing this on my laptop. Alright, go to winworldpc.com. Then, you go to Windows 1. Click here. Scroll down. Click here. Then, whichever one's fastest for you, I'm going to click Server 2. Then, go to MS-DOS 3.0. Then, go to the only full version, which is the Compact OEM. Now, you're going to need to go back a little bit. Haha, just joking. I'm going to need to pause the video so I can do something real quick. Okay, guys. My browser crashed. Somehow. I guess it was just overloaded. This is a good computer. Alright, now we're going to go to PCEM. Go to your downloads. No, it's not your downloads. Sorry, Mac users. This is where you'll need a copy of Linux or Windows. I should probably mention that in the beginning. Alright, since I run Windows, I'll be downloading this. Now, you might say, well, where do I get your ROMs? You can get some really basic ROMs from here, but honestly, I don't like those. So, instead, let's hop over to archive.org. and search PCEM ROMs. Then you go to here. Now download this zip file. Then you can close your browser. Open up your downloads folder. And you can see they're all there. Now you're going to need 7-zip. Where do I get 7-zip? Alright, open up your browser, unless you still have it open. Then go to 7zip.org. Now, links will all be in the description for y'all to see. Now, if you have a 32 or 64-bit copy of 7-zip, oh my goodness, did I just say a 32-bit or 4-bit copy of 7-zip? I mean, a 32-bit or 64-bit copy of Windows. Download your respective file. In this case, 64-bit. I already have it installed, so it's no problem. Click on it. Right click. Oh my goodness, I hate this new menu. Extract your files. You're going to extract all of these. Why you're going to need to extract all of them? Well, it's pretty obvious. Now, our downloads folder is already getting a bit cluttered. So, let's move all the folders onto the desktop. Now we can close this. Oh, if you're wondering what this is, that's the video you're watching. How's this? Huh? Oh, that's from failed stuff. Let's just replace it all. Man, look at that speed. Honestly, I need a slightly better laptop. It can barely run Brave, my favorite web browser. Now, you might be asking, why do you not use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge? It's because I hate, well, I don't really hate. It's just that Chrome's a memory hog, and Firefox isn't. Now, Brave is based on Chrome, but it's better than Chrome. Now, you're going to want to open this up. And you see all of these files. Yeah, every single one of them. You're going to want to hit Control A on your keyboard, then Control C. Close this. Go into the PCEM v17 Win or Linux folder. Go into here, then hit Control V. Hit Replace. What? Not gonna ask. Then, let's just create a phone. There are actually, alright, so let's create Just kidding. Let's not create anything just yet. Launch PC emulator, or PCEM. Let's remove this. It's a failure. Alright. Hit this button. Type in a name. Did it create it? Oh, it's doing something. Well, this is awkward. Oh, there we go. Okay, you're going to want to select that, this, and then finally, check your floppies. Okay, they're all 360K. Set this to none. Make this IDE. You won't be using your CD-ROM. You're going to want to hit this button. No, wait, you want this button. Convert this to a fixed size. Now let's give it a generous 20 megabytes. Ought to be enough for anyone. Let's just chuck it on the desktop. Let's call it LOL. Very creative. Yes, I will remember. Alright, set it to that. You don't need that. You don't need that. Alright. Then you hit the load button. While it's doing all this, hit change drive A. Load disk 1. Hit F8. Where is that? There it is. Huh? Hold on a second. Boot to the A drive. Type FDISK or FDisk. It's already selected on one. Hit enter. Press Y and then enter. Then press enter. Press A. And give it a while. Then type format C/S. You're going to need to put /S, because then it'll like copy over your system stuff. Press Y, hit enter, and then enter. We wait. So, yeah. still going, let's just drag around the window. And no, this isn't a Windows 11 skin on Windows 10. This is actual Windows 11. Oh, darn it. My phone fell. And if you wanted to know, yeah. It does take a while since it's emulating the real hardware. Or is it just frozen? No, it's not frozen. Oh, it beeped. Well, that's fun, I guess. Let's just... I'm just gonna keep holding it. Maybe drag it around. Since it looks like we won't be going anywhere anytime soon, let's write some stuff. Oh, well, look at that. It's done. Now you can actually change it. And go to here. Go to here. Hit open. Then type copy install .bat to C. Then you do C install. Just keep hitting Y. Alright, then hit enter. Now we wait. How low is my battery? 21%? It'll get through it. Notice how it's taking a really long time. Let's get to why we... Oh, sorry. I'm using PC emulator. Well, first off, because this VirtualBox it doesn't work with it. Well, it kind of does. It's just that PCM17 is best for this kind of stuff. Then you might say, oh, well, what about DOSBox? And to them I say, DOSBox, it's too much work. Then, of course, you have VMware. I don't use that because I can't afford it, And yeah, software piracy is a big no-no. Not even saying, but didn't you just commit piracy? And I say to you, does it look like I have a floppy drive on this thing? Does it look like I have a rare version of Windows just lying around? If it went on sale for eBay, if it went on sale on eBay, it would cost thousands. And I don't even have the drive for it. Sorry if you hear wood. It's... You know what? I'm gonna plug in my laptop. Hold on. And besides, this is essentially abandonware. Then you type MSWin. Wait, what? Oh! And wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. First ever Windows mouse. And this is why I wanted to use PCM, because proper mouse support. Alright. That was interesting. Wow. The first ever text message box using Music Note. The buttons were up here. That's interesting. Oh, and it'll do that. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you later. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.